Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I, Professor Uday Vaidya, would like to introduce a new chapter, Investment Account. Objective of investment may be either to get a regular income or to make a profit out of fluctuation in the prices of such a security. There are two types of securities. One, short-term investment and long-term investment. Investment which are invested for less than 12 months or used for less than 12 months, it is known as a short-term investment. An investment which gives a benefit more than 12 months is known as long-term investment. Some terms related to investment. When we purchase a security, there is a value of security printed on it. This is called face value or nominal value of a security. Suppose we purchase 10 shares of rupees 100 each. Then the face value of shares is 100. The company will give a dividend on this face value. Cost or capital value. If we have paid 140 for purchasing on shares and paid rupees 1 as a brokerage, then our capital value or cost value of these shares is rupees 141 per shares. The face value of these shares is rupees 100, but our cost or capital value is 141. Please remember that the dividend or interest is calculated on rupees 141, which is included brokerage. Market value. If the price ruling in a market on some day is 180, then its market value is 180. Generally, this market value is considered at the end of the year. Price of the investment which is disclosed on a market. Market value measures the true value of investment based on the forces of supply and demand. Brokerage. A buyer or seller of a security has to deal through the brokers only to make purchase or sales. So brokerage is to be paid to the shares broker. The brokerage so paid on purchasing is added to the cost and the total amounts is written on debit side in capital column. In case of sale, the brokerage is deducted from the sale price and the net amount is written in capital column. Come interest purchase or sales. When securities are bought and sold, it is specified whether the price includes the accrued interest from the last date of interest till today. If the transaction is come interest, it means the price given includes such accrued interest. Important terms related to investment account. Thank you.